Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Right now you are watching a video of hotel. In this video we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, location, hotels and nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is fine in case love to enjoy the surrounding. 3 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Services and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can visit through the link provided in the description. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a